What's going on, everybody? The Germ here in Tampa, Florida, more specifically than that, Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. And this is part 2, so I really hope you guys already watched part 1, because we did Montu in part 1, Cheetah Hunt, and we did Cobra's Curse. So a lot of fun. We got POV coming, so hopefully you watch part 1. This is part 2. First up is going to be Iron Gwazi, originally Gwazi. Not a terrible wait, 45 minutes. Big difference from what it was this morning. It's definitely calmed down quite a bit. This originally opened up as Gwazi back in 1999 as a dual track wooden racing coaster, but quickly ended. It only lasted 16 years, closed in 2015 and reopened in 2021 as Iron Gwazi, rethemed as an RMC coaster. If you're not familiar with RMC, that's Rocky Mountain Construction. Gwazi originally opened up as a dual wooden roller coaster. It lasted a very short period, 1999 to 2015. It's closed for a few years. They actually closed down one side first, followed by the other side. One of the coasters had a lion on the front, the other one had a tiger, a liger, that's right. Later on in 2022, it got retracked, repurposed. One track, it was repurposed by RMC, Rocky Mountain Construction, and no longer a dueling coaster, but it looks intense. I didn't go on this the last time we were here because the last time we were here, this doesn't open yet, 2020, but now 2024, it's good to go. This is going to be the tallest and fastest roller coaster here at Busch Gardens at 206 feet tall and 76 miles an hour.
Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride. Please step carefully but quickly to see if it's directly in front of you.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh wow. Oh my God. That was intense, man. When you get up to the top of that lift hill and you're in the first row, you're looking down at the track, you can't see where the track is. That was amazing. 206 feet tall, 76 miles an hour. This is Florida's tallest and fastest coaster. And I think I might have a new favorite RMC. That thing was awesome. I love these Mold-A-Matic machines. I haven't seen one of these since I've been here the last time, 4 years ago. We've got to do this one because it's Iron Gwazi. I was looking for a flamingo, but I'll do this one. It's $5. And there it goes. Pumping the wax in there. I wish it was a different color other than green, but it's definitely green. I can see green wax. That'd be funny if it ends up being a different color. I don't know how long this takes. Oh, it takes just 60 seconds. Read the sign. I remember when these come out, they are hot. They are very hot. And the last time I was here, I brought one home and they broke it. I think that was my flamingo one. There it is. There it goes. Uh-oh. That's not good. It got stuck. Uh-oh. What do we do now? Well, the good news, it fell on its own. Hopefully it didn't get ruined. How cool is that? That is awesome. That's made out of wax. $5. That is so cool. I love these things. They're awesome. $5. Mold-A-Matic. These go back, way back. I remember when I was a kid getting these at SeaWorld. There's just an arch right here for some reason. I don't know if this is like a children's playground. Wait a minute, it's moving. It's moving. Oh my God. This is why you don't walk in the woods in Tampa, man. There's just walking trees. There's walking trees around here. It's weird. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's a robot tree. It's a transform. Oh my God. It's like this is what I've never stepped on a praying mantis, I promise. All right, I'm out of here, man. You're creeping me out, dude. I have a feeling I know what's coming up right here. One of my favorite creatures, flamingos. Oh, he knew what he was. Came right up. He said, "I'm a flamingo. Are you talking to me?" "Yes, I'm talking to you." "Excuse me, flamingo, come on over." Tell me these are not the coolest bird in the world. A lot of them are sleeping, but not these guys. These guys are hungry. It's funny, they eat upside down. Flamingos. Hello, flamingos. I spotted the unlucky flamingo. You guys know what flamingo that is? Flamingo number 13. Oh, never mind, that's flamingo 43. It looked like a 13. You know, this is where I met Tampa J for the first time 4 years ago, right here over by the flamingos. He does it better than I do. We both have a fascination with flamingos. I don't know if it's a Floridian thing or what. I'm originally from Florida. Tampa J might live here, but I'm originally from here. Look what I found. It's another Mold-A-Matic. And look which one it is. It's my flamingos. Oh, we gotta have to do this one. I don't know if I have another $5 bill on me. Gotta make the flamingo. There's all kinds of moving and shaking going on because we're gonna get a flamingo. This is gonna be cool. The last one of the flamingos I had, it broke on the way home 4 years ago, but now here I am getting a new flamingo. Hopefully this one doesn't melt in the car. There it goes. Let's grab my flamingo. Oh, he's in there. Gotta get him, gotta get him. Oh, heck yeah, that's awesome. They have their own Sesame Land here. Sesame Street. This is cool. These treehouse things. I love these things. I wonder if we're allowed up there. We must be, because that's an adult. Hey, sir, what are you doing up there? He's not allowed up there. Well, there's a hint of where we're going. Sheikra, off this way. Some birds along our journey. What's that pink thing? What is that guy? Can't get the focus in. There you go. Anyone recognize this bird? I don't know what it is. You guys let me know in the comments below. I don't recognize this bird. What is that? Very interesting looking. Pink like a flamingo, but big bill and short legs. Or I should say, normal sized legs. Next up is Sheikra, built in 2005 by B&M, the second tallest coaster here at Busch Gardens at 200 feet and 70 miles per hour. Are you guys ready to go on Sheikra? Just a 20-minute wait. Not too terrible. Looks like a fun one. I saw kids standing at the bottom getting soaking wet. It does a little splash then. You don't get wet on the coaster, but you can stand off on the side of the coaster and it sprays water. It's pretty good way to get cooled off. There it goes, Sheikra. Look at that, it just stops. It stops right there and then drops you. Seems like a nice quiet ride, like a monorail. Oh my God, what's this? Whoa, oh my God. Oh, it broke down and stopped. It stopped. Ah!
Not again! I was holding on to this because I was scared this was stronger. It's not stronger now.
That was Sheikra. Always a classic. That was a good one. They all been good ones. This, you know what? This park, Busch Gardens, has the most unique mix of coasters I've ever seen. From RMC to B&M. It's amazing. They really do have a good set of coasters here. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2. We went on Iron, Gwazi, and Sheikra in part 2. Made a flamingo and also a Iron Gwazi wax figure from the Mold-A-Matic. Been very cool here. We got another part to go. It's part 3, and this is going to be the last part. So I hope you guys join me for part 3. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.